So now, hi friends, very good mornings and welcome all of you in my channel AM Maths Tutorials. So now come to before watch my videos, don't forget for subscribe, like, share and tell to friends for latest updates and go on. And if subscribe my channels, then click the first also. Don't forget click the notification button in right side of the subscribes uh, words. So now come to the problems is related to taking the complex analysis related to the imaginary similarity problems. So you have to do what you do first. Here is given f of z is equal to e raised to z minus 1. That is given. So first, and is also given e raised to z is not equal to minus 1. So first work है कि this is the कह रहा है कि which is f is the meromorphic or not. You check out f is the meromorphic or not. So f is a simple pole. If z is not equal to 1 पे simple pole है तो z not equal to 1 here is the meromorphic means पोल को छोड़ करके जो भी पॉइंट्स होते हैं आपके उस पॉइंट्स पे फंक्शन मेरोमॉर्फिक होता है द एक्सेप्ट द पोल पॉइंट्स गिवन फंक्शन इज मेरोमॉर्फिक्स here is simple words except the pole points except the pole point given function is meromorphic. So here except pole points क्या आपका है यार pole point e raised to z equal to 1 that is the pole points. तो इसको आपको एक्सेप्ट कर देना मतलब एक्सेप्ट दिस मीन्स तो e raised to z is not equal to 1 taken. So that is here first option f is the meromorphic function means f of z is meromorphic. ये प्रॉब्लम्स में गिवन है और मेरोमॉर्फिक के बारे में मैंने बताया भी था एक्सेप्ट द पोल पॉइंट दैट इज द मेरोमॉर्फिक्स. अब करें नेक्स्ट similarities have the poles. तो first of find out the poles. e raised to z is equal to pole. e raised to z minus 1 equal to 0. e raised to z equal to 1. As well e raised to 2 n pi I. Imply that z is equal to 2 n pi I. Where n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. That is. So now z equal to n pi I. This is a lot of points. Here is present a lot of points. बहुत सारे points may be possible of z is the complex number. So the only similarity of is are poles. Pole पे similarities होगा क्योंकि that point is tending to infinites. So that is a similarity. Singular points. Singular point is called the similarities. It means the only similarity of f or poles. So pole पे similarities है. It means your second option is true. f has infinite many poles on the imaginary axis. अब here आते infinite many poles because n is a lot of our which is the imaginary. So that case we can say that f is also has infinite many poles on the imaginary axis. The properties and next each poles of f is simple. Here not quadratics, that is a simple z equal to 2 n pi I. So which is the simple already here is also correct because here it's simple है that or is 1 है not greater than quadratic या cubic. So that is also simple. So we can say that is a meromorphic and simple pole, infinite similarities and so on. So that is all fourth option is correct. So देखिए प्रॉब्लम्स में क्या था वे ओनली कंसेप्ट प्रॉब्लम से we know that the basic information of previous and we write down the answers. So that type of problems here also take care similarity is very important problems and for CSIR NET GATE examinations any other examinations of science stream. So similarity is a very play the major roles. 4-5 मार्क्स के प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं 1 or 2 क्वेश्चंस रहते से तो दैट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स टेक केयर. मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको बताया व्हाट इज द मेरोमॉर्फिक फंक्शन, इंटायर्स, आइसोलेटेड सिंगुलरिटीज, रिमूवल सिंगुलरिटीज आल्सो गिवन। सो नेक्स्ट अभी इसेंशियल सिंगुलरिटीज के बारे में आपको बताना है, बट वो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा, बट इज हियर सो एक जनरल इंफॉर्मेशंस। तो नाउ फ्रेंड्स, डोंट फॉरगेट फॉर सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल्स, लाइक, शेयर एंड टेल टू फ्रेंड्स for latest updates. You also subscribe channels. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Good day.